आयज आमी येयला म्हाका लागून न्हू, पिटराक लागून न्हू, एल्विसाक लागून न्हू, आमच्या ह्या गोंयच्या सायबाक लागून. So thank you so much for coming out in such large numbers. I always say this, there are two things that get our Goans out in this weather, in this country. One is the work and one is our faith. And today our faith has been attacked. Yes? Yeah? Ani awaz zaini, it's all recorded. Yes? We are hurt. Amko awaz pauni. Come on, say, we are hurt. We are frustrated. This is not the way our religion should be treated. This guy, Gautam Khattar, this is not the first time. It's not that he didn't know what he was talking. It's not that the organizers didn't know his history. If you see his previous Instagram post, he has been talking about our Jesuit institutions, which are in the name of St. Francis Xavier. So what I want to say, very, very short and sweet to all of you, it is good that we are making our anger so visible everywhere. But we need action. We need to make the Goa government understand that even though we are not in Goa, we carry Goa with us wherever we are. Am I right? Yes, we do. Yes. So I want all of you to listen to me very carefully. I understand there are people who have come not only from Hounslow but from Wembley and Swindon and other places in and around. Yeah? We are celebrating the feast of our St. Francis Xavier in the UK Parliament. We did it in 2023, we did it last year as well. Some of you present here have also been a part of those celebrations. We respect him. He is right there for us. And you cannot, just imagine if we had said something like this to any of their warriors or anything, they would have burned Goa right now. And what are we doing? As lay people, we are meeting, we are video Khattar, we are protesting, but where is our leadership? We lack a strong political and spiritual leadership here in UK as well as in Goa. We have our MLAs, hunche ton geun they come to UK for networking and for our functions as chief guests. Where are you today? Where are you today? You're coming for Goan cultural events here, you're coming to meet the UK Goans here, the Goan tourism ministers promoting Goa in central London. Where are you today? So what I'm going to do, and I'm asking all of y'all, I think Peter is going to, he's going to send around, we'll do a signed petition. So this is what I have in mind. Please, we are going to make a petition, Peter and Elvis, since you all are the organizers of this evening. Please sign that petition. What I am going to do, currently I'm not in power, okay, but still I know I can do it. This is the protocol that I can follow and I will make sure it happens. I am going to submit this petition. Hounslow has 3 Labour MPs and they are in power currently in the administration. I am going to submit the petition to the MPs. The MP can submit a petition saying that the community, the Goan community in Hounslow is hurt and they are frustrated because of these hurtful remarks made against their religion. They will write to the Indian High Commission here in UK. Once an MP submits a petition like this to the Indian High Commission in UK, they have to raise it to Delhi. And Delhi has to get accountability from the state government. So this is the best that I think I can do to get some accountability and to let the Goa government know that even though we are in UK, inga san bosun dekun ami tinga pressure galum zata. Hoy ke na? Yeah? Let's do that. And I urge through your channel again, Amsawado and Ferriston, not just, I can do this in Hounslow. Please speak to your MPs in Reading, in Wembley, in Swindon. Let all your MPs also write on behalf of wherever we have a strong Goan community. Let them all write to the Indian High Commission here based in UK so they can then put pressure in Delhi and Delhi can ask accountability from the Goan government. Yeah, let's do that today. Please make sure you guys all sign so we can submit the petition. Thank you very much. And before I go, ते गौतम कट्टर कहता त्या लैंग्वेज इन, ओके, ये नया गोवा है, घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा भी, या सेतू. थँक यू.